Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, thank you. I am also fine. Welcome back to our online classes. Yes, in the previous class we were discussing about the triangle. That properties we discussed and types of triangles. That is mainly on the measurement, on the basis of measurement of sides. We discussed three types. That is equilateral and next one scalene, and one more scalene triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle. These three. And on the basis of measurement of angles, again three types we discussed. That is acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. Yes. After this, two properties also we discussed. The first property, the sum of the angles should be in the triangle, it should be equal to 180 degree. And one more property, that is if the sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than third side. This we discussed. Now today we will see the construction of triangles. How to construct a triangle. That is construction of triangle. Very simple. Here, if all three sides are given, then it is very easy. We can construct. If two sides, one angle given, then also we can construct an angle. If two angles and one side is given, then also we can construct very easy. For that we need ruler, and it is a protractor for the measurement of angle. We need it. And take compass. For compass also we need to cut where it is the perfect side. Here to construct a triangle when all three sides are given. First, all three sides are given. Example we will see. AB is equals to construct a triangle ABC. Yes, AB is equals to how many centimeter? In triangle ABC, first one, this is from our exercise triangle ABC. AB is equals to line segment BC is equals to, and AC line segment CA is equals to 5.3 centimeter. 5.3 centimeter. Yes, this is which type of triangle? Equilateral triangle. Here all the angles should be equal. Here AB, BC, CA, all line segments length is same. Then how many centimeters? It's 5.3. Now we can construct first step. Draw a line BC of 5.3 centimeter. Here 5.3. Yes, this is a rough diagram. I will draw a rough diagram. Yes. A, B, C, this is 5.3, 5.3 centimeter. Yes. All 5.3. Now we will take exact 5.3. Yes, here 4, here 5.3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. It looks very small. Yes or no? It looks very small. Now, next, by using a compass, take a measurement of 5.3. This is B and C. This is the 5.3, B and C. B, it is C. Now we can have 5.3 with the use of ruler and take compass. Correct from 0 to 5.3. Yes, here 0 up to 5.3. Yes, this is 5.3. Now we can place on vertices B and cut here. Place on vertices B, cut like this, and place on vertices C. Once again, cut like this. Yes, this is the vertex. This is the vertex of A. It is the vertex of A. Now with the help of scale, you can draw join AC or AB. First join AB and AC. Join AB and AC. Yes, we got the triangle. That is 5.3 centimeter, 5.3 centimeter, everywhere it is 5.3 centimeter. If you have doubt, you can check with that. Yes, here 0, 1 up to 5.3 centimeter. This one also 5.3 centimeter, and this is also 5.3 centimeter. Exactly 5.3 like this. With the help of compass and ruler, we can construct a triangle when it is given. First step, you have to draw a line segment BC. Next, take a compass. With the compass, it's a radius. We are taking the radius like this. Yes or no? Drawing a circle. Yes, this is the radius. Arc you draw an arc while placing on B, and one more arc you draw. It should cut the first arc on placing on, yes, that point, keeping on vertex C. Then join, this is the point where it's cut, no, that is the point vertex A. Join AB, AC, then we can get a triangle when all three sides are given. Here we will discuss about this, all three sides are given. Second example, if two sides are given and one angle is given. Two sides and one angle. Like that. Yes. MNT is here, two sides, one angle. Deep one. This is a question. Yes. D. These are from your exercise only. You can see now the steps and all. Yes, you can write here the page number 152 and 53 given. 52 and 53. To construct a triangle with given two sides and included angle, one angle. DEF triangle DEF is in that, yes, such that EF, line segment EF is equals to 5.5 centimeter and angle, sorry, 2 not B is not given, two sides. Here E is given. E is one triangle XYZ. XY is equals to line segment XY is equals to 3.9 centimeter, 3.9 centimeter, and YZ is equals to 4.7 centimeter. Y is equals to, angle Y is equals to 70 degree. Angle Y is equals to 70 degree. Here XY is equals to how much? XY is equals to 3.9 centimeter. First you draw XY line segment. Line segment is given. Then draw line segment 3.9. Yes, up to this much it will. The rough diagram I will draw here. This is the rough diagram. Yes, 3.9 and XY. This is YZ is XY and YZ is 4.7. 4. X Y XY, or we can take 4.7 centimeter. YZ 4.7 centimeter, and at Y it is 70 degree. At Y it is 70 degree and it is of 3.9 centimeter. XY is 3.9. Yes, the rough diagram. Yes, X Y 70 degree, and at Y 70 degree, Z, this is YZ is 4.7 centimeter. 3.9 centimeter. Like this rough diagram we can have. Now first draw 3 point 9 centimeter. Yes, this is 3.9 centimeter. This much only exactly with your scale. Now take the measurement of angle. Now angle, that is how much degree? 70 degree at y. This is x or xy. Like this also we can take. Rough diagram how we shown like that only we will take 3.9 centimeter first. Yes. .9 centimeter, then x, y, next, so y at angle y is equals to 90 degree, sorry 70 degree, then 70 is here, draw this one fully, yes. This is Z ray. Now the measurement of one more YZ. YZ is 4.7 only. 4.7. XY is 3.9. YZ is 4.7. There only you should cut. Where 4.7 with the help of ruler. Measure this one. 4.7. Yes, this is a 4.7 and place here and cut it. Yes, place on Y. This is the point Z. This is the point. Yes, Z it is. Now, with the help of ruler, we can join this XZ. XZ, this is equal to, now measure this one. Yes, it is exactly 4.7 centimeter. 4.7, this is 3.9. 4.7 centimeter with angle 70 degree. This is a given figure. This is the triangle constructed for given values, measurements. XY is equal to 3.9. YZ equals to 4.7 and Y at angle Y is equals to 70 degree. This is rough diagram. This is the given diagram with the exact measurements. Write down these two. Yes, and one more type of triangle construction. If two angles are given, one side is given with the help of two angles. Third type of triangle construction. That is also very simple. Yes, one side is given, two angles are given, then we can construct a triangle. Very simple. First, you see one example we will solve from your textbook exercise only. Yes. Two angles are given. D question. From first main D question, triangle DEF. Triangle DEF. In this, the line segment EF is equals to 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. Next, angle E is equals to how many degree? 30 degree. Angle E is 30 degree. Angle F is 80 degree. Angle F is 80 degree. Then we can construct a triangle. First you take measurement of 5.5 centimeter. Draw EF line segment. EF 5.5. Yes. The rough diagram first we will take. This is EF 5.5 centimeter. Rough diagram EF. Yes, then it is 80 degree and it is 30 degree. 30 degree. Yes, D, E, F like this. Here it is 5.5 centimeter. Now we can have E. Angle E is 30. Sorry, here. Reverse angle E is 30, D is yes. Like this, it is 80 degree up and 30 degree D, like this. Now by using protractor, yes, we can angle E is equals to 30 degree. Mark angle E is 30 degree means yes, here 10, 20, 30. Next place on F, then angle that is equals to 80 degree. 80 is here. Now draw the lines. The line should pass through these 2 points. Yes, angle F is 80 degree, E is 30 degree. Here, sorry, angle E is 30 degree, just 30 degree. This one, and F is 80 degree. This one. Yes, this is the triangle. Now we can arrange these two. Here where they will meet at a point, this point D. This is 30 degree. Exactly, this is 80 degree. And if it is 30, 80, it should be 70 degree. Why? The sum of the all three angles is equals to 180 degree. This is the figure. Yes, same figure drawn there. Yes. Next one more we'll solve. Yes, with the same two angles are given. One yes side, one side is given. That is also D only. We'll take B from second main triangle HIJ here such that yes, IJ is equals to line segment IJ is equals to 5.4 centimeter. 5.4 centimeter. Angle I is equals to 35 degree. Angle I is 35 degree and angle J is 75 degree. Angle J is 75 degree. Now we can construct a triangle. Yes, take first a rough figure. Yes, HIJ, triangle HIJ, IJ is 5.4, IJ 5.4 centimeter, and angle I is 35, then J is 80, 75, like this. H, this is 75, this is 35. This is the figure. Now take 5.4 centimeter. 5.4 centimeter. Yes, this is I, J, 5.4 centimeter. Now with the help of protractor, angle I is equals to 35 degree. Yes, angle I is equals to 35 degree here. Then join this one first. Yes, next angle J is equals to 75 degree. Angle J, yes, 75 degree. Next here, join this one. Yes, this is 75 degree, this is 35 degree. This is the H point. you can erase this H. Angle HIJ, triangle HIJ is given, this one for the given values. Very simple now, the construction of triangles. It looks very small on the board, but with your draw in your notebook, it looks very nice. Draw in your notebook, so it looks very nice. If you get any doubt about this construction of triangles, you can give a call. The steps are given here. The steps are given, same steps. Yes, first draw BC. If equilateral triangle is given here, all sides are equal in length. Yes, first draw BC. Next, with the help of compass, radius you keep on B, one vertices here like this, and draw an arc using pair of compass. Pair of compass means this one. By using this compass, you can draw an arc. The same given. You can write this page number 152 and 153. Copy page number 152, 153 in your notebook. Both pages. Steps are even very easy. And draw the rough diagrams also. And here the exercise. In this exercise, I solved 104 examples. I think 4 examples solved. You will see one more. One more example. It's very easy. With two sides are given with one angle. If one angle is given, two sides. Like that, some more examples I will solve. Remaining you can take as a homework. Here triangle, construct these triangles in that only. OPQ is equals to OPQ such that OP is 3.6 centimeter, PQ is 4.1 centimeter, and triangle OPQ 55 degree. Means angle P is 55 degree. The rough diagram, OP is, this is 3.6 centimeter, OP, then PQ is 4.1 centimeter. Here the angle is 55 degree. 55 degree, yes, angle P. Then it should be how much? Length 4.1 centimeter. 4.1 centimeter. This one is not given. This is Q. PQ is 4.1 centimeter. This is rough diagram. Like this we can draw. Take the exact measurements. First you draw the 3.6 base. 3.6 centimeter. Only this much small. Yes. Now it is P is O 3.6 centimeter. Now measure the angle. Next step, measure the angle at P. It should be how much degrees? 55 degree. Here 55 degree. Here. Then join this line with the help of ruler. Join this line. Yes. Now take the compass and measure the how much distance. This is Q. Here Q is on line OP. Now it should be 4.1 centimeter. 4.1 centimeter. Then yes, 0 to yes 4.1. Yes, correct. It is 4.1 centimeter. Place on P. Draw an arc. Yes, here. There is where there is cut now. There is a point Q. Draw line OQ. This is Q. Draw line OQ. Yes. This is a triangle 55 degree. P at P 55 degree, then it is 4.1, exact 4.1 centimeter. This is the given triangle. You can extend or you can erase it, or like this. Clear? Yes, if all three sides are given, first one ABC is equals to 0.3, that's solved. Yes, here we will see one more. LMN 3.2, yes, 3.6, 4 centimeter. Triangle LMN, construct an LMN such that, yes, line segment LM is equals to 3.2 centimeter. Next, line segment MN is equal to 3.6. MN is equals to 3.6 centimeter. And one more, that is LN is equals to 4 centimeter. LN is equals to 4 centimeter. With the help of ruler, first you draw the LM. LM is 3.2 centimeter. Yes, this much it is 3.2 centimeter. Rough diagram 3.2 LN is 4 centimeter and MN is 3.6 centimeter. It is LN is 4 centimeter. Like this diagram. Now we'll have, with the help of compass box, draw an arc for LN. LN is 4 centimeter. LN is 4 centimeter. Fix here on vertex L and draw an arc. Yes. Next, take the measurement of how much centimeter? 3.6 centimeter. 3.6 centimeter. Yes. Now draw from M. Place on M. Yes. Here is the vertex. This is N. Now join these all. LN. Yes. This is 4.4 centimeter. This is 3.6 centimeter. This is 3.2 centimeter. Yes. Measure it. 3.2, 6, 3.6, 3.2, and it is of 4 centimeter. This is the triangle. We can construct it very easily. Clear how to construct a triangle? Yes. After this, we have, just write down this one, construct first. Yes, after this, we have some more questions. That's very easy. You can answer for that. Yes. If you get any doubt about that, you can do a call to me about this construction of triangle. Simple one. Here we will check now. See, construct these triangles, write the answer. Construction you know. The answer, triangle ABC such that AB is equals to, last questions, last 4 are there. In that first one, AB is equal to, BC is equal to, CA is equal to 5 centimeter. All sides equal means equilateral triangle. We write the measures of angle A is equals to, B is equal to, C is equals to. All are equal. Then which type of triangle is this? This is equilateral triangle, and Yes, all angles it should be equal to 60 degree. Yes, 180 divided by 3. We solved that yesterday. Like that same. And again 3 are there that we can solve. After this, we will discuss some more figures of these polygons. We know the definition of polygon. What do you mean by polygon? Yes, polygon is a geometrical figure have bounded by 3 or more than 3 line segments. Is that polygon is a geometrical figure. It is bounded by 3 or more than 3 line segments. 3 or more than 3 line segments. Example we discussed about, yes, a triangle. These are the polygons. Yes, polygons we can draw. Yes, triangle. Next, this is triangle with 3 sides. Next, it is a rectangle. A rectangle means 4 sides. A rectangle, square, and pentagon. This is 5 sides. Pentagon. How many sides? 5 sides. Pentagon. And next is hexagon. 6 sides. How many sides? 6 sides. We can call it as hexagon. Next, septagon. 7 sides. Like this. Yes. One, two, three, 4, 5, 5. Now 5 like this. 5, 6, 7. Like this we can draw. Yes. Septagon. Septagon. 7 sides. Septagon. Next is 8 sides. We can call as octagon. 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides we can call, yes, 8 sides octagon. Octagon. Next is 9 sides. 9 sides figure that we can call as nonagon. Yes, then 10 sides figure that is decagon. Decagon. Yes, 9 sides figure that's called as nonagon, and 10 sided polygon is called decapolygon. 10 sided polygon, that is decagon. 9 sided polygon, this is, yes, nonagon. And 8 sided is octagon. 8 sided polygon, like this. Yes, septagon, that is 7 sided, hexagon 6 sided, pentagon 5 sided, rectangle 4 sided, triangle 3 sided. Here this triangle, about triangle we discussed. Now write all this. After this, about rectangle. For this rectangle, then this opposite vertices, for this rectangle opposite vertices, we can cut into 2 equal triangles. Then we can write that this is 180 degree. Its angles measure is 180 degree. Here all 4 angles are 90 degree. This is 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. We can say it is of 360. When you cut into 2 equal parts also, then we can write 2 into 2 triangles, 180 degree, 180 degree. Then together 2 into 180 is 360 degree. How much degrees it is? A rectangle is 360. Here this pentagon we can cut into, yes, how many equal parts? 3 equal parts. 3. Okay, you can, yes, fold it. 3 we can form 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. Then 180, 3 into 180 degree. This is of 500. 18 3 is 54. 540 degree. Like that hexagon also. To find the number of triangles we can cut in that, we have the formula, that is number of triangles is equals to total number of sides minus 2. You subtract 2 from total number of sides. Here in rectangle, yes, total number of sides how many are there? 4 are there. You subtract 2. Then what you got? 2 you got. Then 2 triangles we can form. 2 into 180, it is gives us, yes, 360 degree. That angles we can find. Very easy it is. Yes, here we'll write that is the formula. Number of triangles, sum of here number of triangles is equals to here total number of, yes, number of sides minus 2. Number of sides minus 2. Then we get the number of triangles. Very simple here. First, quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means there are 4 sides. Quadrilaterals, how many triangles are there? Quadrilaterals, 4 sides minus 2. Then 2 triangles we can write. Yes, 2 triangles. And we can take pentagon. Pentagon, yes, 5 sides minus 2, it gives us 3 triangles. How many triangles? 3 triangles. It is 2 into 180 degree. The total angle inside, that is 360 degree in quadrilaterals. And pentagon, 3 into 3 triangles into 180, that is 540 degree inside angle. And we can take hexagon. Hexagon, yes, 6 sides minus 2, 4 triangles. How many triangles? 4 triangles. Then 4 into 180 degree, 720 degree inside angle for the hexagon. How many? 720 degree angle. Next, septagon. Septagon, yes, 7 sides minus 2, 5. Then 5 triangles. 5 triangles you can have there. Then 5 into 180 degree. Yes, 18 5 is 90, 900 degree. Total angle inside that septagon is 900 degree. Yes, like this octagon also we can find. Octagon. Octagon, that is 8 minus 2, 6. 18 6 are, yes, 6 into 180. 18 6 are 100. Yes, 1080. 1080. We can write the angles 1080 degree. Next is octagon to nonagon. Yes, nonagon. That 9 minus 2, 7 triangles. How many triangles you can find? 7 triangles you can find. Yes or no? Then 7 sides, 7 triangles, 7 into 18. 18 sevens are 100. Yes, 16. 26. 126 means you can write 1260. 1260. 1260 degree. Next, decagon. Decagon, 10 sides minus 2 sides, 8 triangles. We can form there 8 triangles. Then the angle is 8 into 18, 160. Sorry, 144. 18 8s are 144. 1440 degree. 1440 degree. Yes, this is given in your textbook page number 155. There is a table. Complete the following table. Name of the polygon, here name I written. Then 3 sides, here there sides written, 5 sides 4 sides onwards I written. Then sum of the angles of polygon. Sum of the angles of polygon. You multiply by this one. Then you can write. Complete this page number 155. Complete table the page number 155 and 154. Both you can solve in your notebook. Very simple. If you get any doubt about these polygons also, you can give a call to me. And in next class we will discuss about these quadrilaterals and construction of squares and rectangles. With this I will conclude my class. Okay. Thank you.